Let's make a UV resin mechanical pencil using Skim Coat, Glisten as our glitter, and the magic here. Once we disassemble the pencil, I usually use my dowel rod to push the top up because it can be snug sometimes. I'm using 220 grit sandpaper just to lightly sand the surface just so that the resin sticks to it really easily. I clean it with alcohol and dry it really well. Then we're going to go in with one line of Skim Coat. That's all you need is one line, and make sure it's fully coated. Then we're going in with our Glisten glitter, and I usually just drizzle and then I kind of tap it around the pile of glitter underneath. And then we're going to stick it into our Magic Cure pen tray, and we're going to cure that for 120 seconds at 48 watts. This is what it looks like so far. Now we're going in with our second coat of Skim Coat. This time I'd usually do 2 lines because the glitter will soak in a lot of that UV resin. Then we're going back into the pen tray and back into the Magic Cure at 48 watts for another 120 seconds. If you notice that your pen is still tacky, give it another 120 seconds. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, but that's not completely smooth, so let's fix it. We're going in with 180 grit sanding block, and we're going to sand this pen down until it's completely dull. If there's any shine spots at all, we want to sand it down till it's nice and smooth all the way around. This is the most important part of creating this pencil. Once it's smooth, go ahead and apply your alcohol and dry it off really, really well. Make sure there's no dust, no shiny finish. Then we're going in with one line of Skim Coat to finish this pencil off. Nice even coats, make sure your finger cot is nice and clean, no dust, no debris. This is what it looks like. It brings it back to life. It's so pretty. We're going to put it right back into our Magic Cure pen tray, and we are putting it into the Magic Cure for 240 seconds at that 48 watts. That will ensure that it's fully cure all the way through. I also like to make sure we're using our magnetic tray to give it that 360 cure. That speeds up the process quite a bit. Once your pen is done, or pencil is done, you can just slowly wiggle it back and forth off the adapter, and then I use flush cutters to kind of trim around the bottom, and if needed, I'll run the top and bottom over a little bit of sandpaper to smooth those edges out. We're going to put this back together now. We're going to put the bottom in, we're going to put the top in, making sure that the clip is right down into the little divot on that pencil so that it fits nice and snug into each other. Once we get that all put back together, I'm going to take my eraser and I am going to put that into the top of the pencil. And that is it. It is fully finished. Love, love, love this color of glitter. It's so beautiful. It's custom mixed here, which I love. And it's fully refillable. We sell the refills and we sell these pencils in 10 packs. So go back to school or back to work in style because this is one you won't want to miss.